Hi everyone, I'm Dana. Happy to see you here. Today I'm going to share you some Excel methods to help you work or study more efficiently. In this video, I'm going to share 4 super efficient methods to auto-fill serial numbers in Excel like a pro. And those tips are going to help you save time and make your workflow smoother. And no more small talk, let's get started. Straightforward and commonly used method, the conventional drag down, and we start from 1 normally. And first, after you do that, you can see on the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell, known as the fill handle. And then we press Ctrl, click and hold the fill handle, then simply drag it down the column. As you do, Excel will automatically populate the cells with a series of numbers, increasing by 1 for each subsequent row. It's a quick, easy way to fill in every column, and it works like a charm. This method is perfect when you are dealing with a simple list, and is especially useful for tasks like creating numbered lists, project steps, or row identifiers. Best of all, it takes just a few seconds. But be careful, sometimes when we input 1 and without pressing Ctrl, Excel will make the mistake and copy 1 as all the same number. So always remember, press Ctrl and then drag. That's it. Next, we have got the row function, a fantastic method if you are looking for a dynamic approach. In the first cell where you wanted the number, appear, type row, and then -2. Why -2? Because it starts from row 3 and we wanted the number starts from 1. Simply hit enter, then drag the formula down to fill the column. What this does is generate a sequential list that updates dynamically. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep your data flexible and organized. If you delete rows within your sequence, Excel will automatically adjust the numbers for you. And it's simple, powerful, we like it. Okay, let's dive into a practical way to handle numbering with merge cells using the max function. When we have many times we will occur this situation, then the cells are merged for example here, different departments, different size, different rows of each one. And then if we simply input 1 and drag it down, we can see you will always appear the warning message says we cannot do that. Then what should we do? From here, we use max function and press H2. Why? This is for the reference, and we have the F4 to lock this cell always as a reference. And then we start counting from H2, as we can see here, H2. And from H2, we plus 1. Exactly. And from here, we choose all the merge cells we want to numbering, and then simply Control Enter. Exactly, here we got it. And with this function, even with delete or put more columns here, put more rows here, the number will always be right. And that's what we call max function. Finally, let's look at a smart and efficient way to fill serial numbers using the M function combined with blank cells. Here is how it works. And first, select all the cells where you wanted to create a sequence. Press Ctrl G to go to dialog box, then click Special and choose Blankets. Click OK. Excel will now highlight all the blank cells in your selection. With the blank cells here, we type M function. And we from the H2, so from H2 we plus 1 Replace HU with the starting cell that contains the first number in your sequence. Finally, press Ctrl Enter, and then we can see Excel automatically fill them with sequential numbers based on the reference cells. This approach is perfect when your data has gaps or empty cells, as it identifies and fills only the blanket, leave the rest of your data untouched. It's especially useful in situations where the data layout is irregular or when working with larger data sets. Plus, it's quick and ensures your sequence remains consistent without overwriting and existing values. Thank you for watching. I hope you find those tips useful. And if you do like it, subscribe and follow to the future videos. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.